Hello guys, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to easily fix the issue when you do the first setup of your phone, Samsung Galaxy A32, and you have here Google Assistant not available on your account. So usually here you do have this monet. I couldn't go to this monet. I can't achieve getting this problem, but let's assume that this is here, and what we have to do now is to go back to Wi-Fi. Here, as you can see, we have here the language, mobile network, and this license and etc. And here, as you can see, we do have, pardon me, here do have, as you can see, Wi-Fi's. And what we have to do here is to tap Add Network and enter the second network as SSID, or wait until here we do have the network scanned. Unfortunately, we can scan the QR code of the second Wi-Fi network, but what I will do is to enter just the SSID. Wait a moment, I need to first remember this SSID. Okay, now I know. So let me enter the SSID. The SSID is just the name of your network. Don't be crazy. It's just the name of your network, as you can see here. Then just enter the password for this network, but wrong password. Tap done and tap here next, and just skip this whole process when we are not connected to the when we are not connected to the network. Wait a moment, I need to do the same process, and here skip, don't copy, disable Google services. Wait a moment, I need to disable them all. Accept. This is the first version of the One UI, but as I can see here, now we don't get the money to add our Google account. It's because we are setting up this phone without the Wi-Fi network. You don't have to disable these options like I do disable them here. It's because I want to have a fresh phone actually, without any things that can spy on me. And as you can see now, we do have the fresh phone without all, maybe not the Google services, but we don't have just our account, and we can just have our phone here. Now you can add yourself a Google account if you need to, of course. I don't really think that it's that necessary. Of course, you do have Play Store, etc. But to do so, you can just open Gmail, tap Got It, and here add your email address here, not in the setup process, because setup process, as you have here on your phone, is damaged and broken. Add your Google account here. If it doesn't work, please let me know, because this fix is rather old, but as I can see, it's working. So let me know in the comments if it still works. If it still doesn't, I need to search for another one. And as I said, that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye. Have a nice day.